Hello everyone. In a week we have received 1000 plus viewers, 170 plus likes. I'm really glad to see such a great response from everyone, and I'm really thankful to each and every one of you who has liked and viewed my video. I consider this is a great response for a beginner like me, and I would request you to share, like and subscribe my channel. This is my third short film, and with every film that I have made, there has been always learning curves for me. With each film I have learned, I have implemented in my upcoming projects. It is an ongoing process. Every film is taking me one step closer to professional in filmmaking. Not only that, it is also helping me to understand the works of each department work in a film. I am trying to learn and implement in every steps of my journey. I would like to share my experience making this short film. I tried learning few things from this project. I developed a script and made a screenplay and broke a script down into a short list. Direction wise, there were lots of learning. Particularly, I understood the importance of scheduling and doing rehearsals, as I worked with more than 5 people for the first time. So along with that, there were lots of learning while I was doing this project. I'll be keeping in mind while I'll be implementing on the next project. Since we did not have a cinematographer in our film, we were the only people who were handling the camera while we were also acting. I made them understand the types of shots I expect when I was acting. Post-production work started with viewing on the footages and finding the best shots. Editing process started before completing the direction part. There were few shots left. Simultaneously I was directing and as well as editing. I didn't know much about VFX techniques, so I did the old techniques of merging the images and sound together, and everything came out well. Color grading is the one which I didn't concentrate much till now. I need to study more about this. Dubbing was the funniest and most interesting part of the entire journey, because it included me watching the video, wearing earphone and recording my voice on the phone, and then trying to place it exactly as I was saying. At times I had to send video and ask people to record their voice as per the video is being played, and they would send it back to me and I would listen it and I will synchronize it. Since I did not have much of equipments with me, this is the only thing that I could do, and it really helped me. Some of the sound effects, I went to the places where we shooted and took sounds. It was quite interesting. I really appreciate the people who's in sound effect department. Everything was done. It was set, and when go for an encoding, there were a small error due to which it was getting delayed. I thought I would finish it by 12 o'clock. It took a while for me to identify the error, and when I started encoding it, it got finished by 3:30 in the morning. Morning I uploaded, and by the evening when I saw that it reached 100 plus likes. I make sure that I'm going to make more better videos through whatever I have learned. If any technical or professional people have watched or will watch can notice a number of mistakes in it, kindly ignore and apologize. I'm learning through identifying mistakes. First step towards perfection. Hey, super macha, continue பண்ணு. Super விஷயம். Very well, start first.
ஏன்னா நான் டெய்லி குடிக்கிற மாதிரி சொல்றேன். நானும் ஒகேஷன் இருக்கதானா?
நான் அப்படி மீன் பண்ணல மச்சான். நீ பண்ணி கண்டினியூ பண்ணு மச்சான். நீ நல்ல விஷயம். நல்ல விஷயம். அதான் ரீசனா?
எல்லாத்துக்கும் அதே காரணம்.
அடப்பாவி, இவ்வளோ சீரியஸாக இறங்கிட்டானே.
எவ்வளோ நீ சாப்பிட மாட்டேன்.
நீ இவ்வளோ சீரியஸாக இருக்கிற பொண்ணு கூட தான் நான் படத்துக்கு போகிறேன்னு நினச்சா ரொம்ப கில்ட்டியாக இருக்கு மச்சான். என்ன பண்ணுறது, படத்துக்கு போய் தான் ஆகணும். புக் பண்ணியாச்சு.
ரோலிங்.
மாஸ்க் போட்டுன்னு இருக்கிறோமே.
ஆக்ஷன் 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 ஆக்ஷன். ரோலிங். சாரி கொஞ்சம் மூட் ஆகிட்டேன்.
ஹலோ, ஒன் செகண்ட், கம் ஹியர். Hey, what are you talking?
I am not love you, I think.
Why this thing?
I am not love you, I think.
Why this thing? It's not necessary. It's a flashback again.
This is my boyfriend.
ஆத்தா, நீயே வச்சுக்குமா உன் பாய் ஃப்ரெண்டா?
எந்த தியேட்டர்னு சொல்லுச்சா?
ஏன் எந்த தியேட்டர்னு தெரிஞ்சு போஸ்ட் வச்சு ஓட்ட போறியா? போடா டேய். இது அரி கொஞ்சம் தலை கொஞ்சம் உங்களோட ஃபோக்கஸ் கொஞ்சம் இந்த பக்கம் பார்த்த மாதிரி இருக்கணும். ஓகே 1
சொல்லு 1
2 3 ஸ்டார்ட்.
முடியலடா சாவி.
இல்லை
வாயில் நல்லா வளர்ந்தபடியே வந்து ரெண்டு பேரும் போட ஒரே டைம்.
ஹலோ, இந்த சீனுக்கு பின்னாடி என்ன டிஃபிகல்ட்டி இருந்திருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறீங்க? பாருங்க.
ஆக்ஷன் ஆக்ஷன்.
கிளேபோ எல்லாம் வேணாம், ஒரு ட்ரூ லாஃப், ஒரு ட்ரூ லாஃப்.
No, do it again. Do it again. No, don't look at her like now. Look, you looked at her. Is she?
டேய் பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் பண்ண வர்றா.
She's not there immediately. She's, yeah, like that.
ரோலிங்.
ரெண்டு வார்த்தையை கற்று வச்சுட்டு இவன் பண்ணுற பாடு இருக்கு. எப்பா முடியலடா டே.
ஆக்ஷன்.
திரிசாவை கரும்பிடிக்க கனவுகளோடு வந்து கண்டமானதால் சிறகுடிந்து செல்கிறது. வணக்கம்.
மச்சான் நான் ட்ரிங்க்ஸ் பண்ண தெரியல.
கண்டிப்பா
மறுபடியும் முதல்ல இருந்தா